Okay, so basically you've got a couple of options when it comes to biological disinfection of the water. Chemical, which is basically using iodine or like a chlorine-based type of tablet. Not a great fan of those, and they're really kept by for last resort usage. When you're not in that situation and you have space in your pack for a pressure filter or UV disinfection system, that's my choice of options. We have here a portable UV system. They've been on the market for a few years now, and basically they rely on battery power, so once your batteries go flat, you're out of luck. This will treat up to half a litre per time, and what it does is you fill up your water bottle from a relatively clean source of water, making sure there's minimal debris in there. And then this little probe, as you can see here, is actually a UV light. Now, there's two drawbacks with this. One is the battery power system, and your batteries always go flat. Two, before the unit will switch on for safety, there's two little metallic contacts right here. Now, I've had problems in some parts of the world where the water will not conduct electricity enough for this to read, and you have to end up by shorting this out with a paper clip. Not reliable, not 100%, but it is a really good system. I'll show you this in a few minutes. The other system I've got, which I've had for a number of years and works really well, I'll just pick it up, so excuse me, is an activated pump charcoal system, which also has like a 5 micron filter on it as well. This one is made by First Needs in Canada, and I've been using this for about 5 years now, and I've never had any water problems when I've been using this system. Very simple. You have a drawer, a pump, and it forces it through the filter itself. This cartridge will last for approximately 200 to 300 gallons of water, depending on the level of turbidity. Turbidity is the amount of suspended solids in the water, and also a number of other things such as temperature. You can crack this if it's freezing cold, and in some parts of the world, if you get water which has any kind of salt in it, you might be close to an estuary, that can ruin this filter very quickly. So two options which I like to use all the time, one being the UV. Downfall side is the batteries aren't the greatest. The other one, which is my great backup one, which is a little bit bulky and takes up a lot of space, but it does come with its own water bag, which is really handy for scrounging snow and everything else. This one is my first choice. Last choice would be the chlorine or the iodine tablets. Okay, that's it for now. I'm going to set this up, show you how it works very simply on both systems. The UV system I can't show you because the UV light is self-contained within the bottle itself. Pump system, pretty straightforward. Give me a few minutes and I'll set that up.